Hi. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Preetham, and I also don't have a presentation, and I promise not to take too long. Okay, Gomolo stands for, I co-founded a company named Gomolo. It's a movie website which stands for Go Movie Lovers. So also call it Google for movie lovers. So if you're looking for any information on movies, you can find it on our site. And what it does is basically it tries to organize and enhance your movie experience. Now, what do you mean by that? So if you want to watch a movie, before movie watching, you need some information on the movie. You'd like to know about the movie, what's the story, who is there in the movie, maybe read reviews if it's already released. And after watching the movie, you would like to share your feedback. So we do all of that. So what we do is like we are one of the first sites, maybe the only site, which had a book buy rent model through which you can book tickets on the site. You can buy DVDs, VCDs, audio CDs, Blu-rays, and all that you need to watch the movie or enjoy the movie at home. You could also rent movies, but unfortunately, the partner that you're working with for rental actually closed down. So the rental part is not working right now, but we are trying to substitute rent with watch. So now I think, as a lot of people have been talking throughout the day, that people are planning to or actually watching movies on mobile or on the computer. So we're trying to enable that, and we're talking to a couple of partners for that, and hopefully soon we'll have that. So mobile VAS is one of the areas that we are targeting aggressively for making money. As you all know, I think most of the people who are from India at least know, it's very difficult to make money through ads on sites in India. So we are targeting mobile VAS as a revenue opportunity. And as I said earlier during the day that we started with text, which was doing well. Then it started declining, so we moved to images, which did well for some time. Then it was also declining. Then we moved to WAP, MMS, and now we have come to video. So we have been like going through the ups and downs of the mobile VAS throughout in the last, say, 2-3 years. And I think it has been quite an interesting journey for us, and we are hoping that we can do more on mobile. So I'm very keen to talk to anyone from UK or India who is there in this room about mobile opportunities, especially in the entertainment space. And we're also making money by selling movie-related content to some partners, which are in different media, including television, other websites, like out-of-home screens, and maybe a couple of other options. Like we're also working with a global giant, media giant on the Facebook page. We are providing some interactive apps. So I think there's a lot of things that we're doing, but mostly are trying to at least stick to movies as a genre very closely because I think we know movies well. And we have got currently 6 languages on the site. That's Hindi, Marathi, which is the local language of Maharashtra, Bengali, that's the place where I come from, West Bengal, is the mother tongue for Bengal. And then Tamil, Telugu, which are 2 south languages. And finally English, because English is also like quite a popular movie language. And out of the 6, I think for Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, and English, I would say that with a little bit of pinch of salt, that will be maybe probably the best movie site in the country. And Tamil and Telugu, we're not there, but we'll be there soon.